there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sherwood Park, Alberta in Canada. And Laura Milligan, my US partner, and I are super excited to be here to share with you March's class in the mail. So every month, in case you're not aware, every month we offer a different class in the mail. So we pick a grouping of products and we create projects using those products. So this month, our stamp set of focus is the Fable Friends stamp set. This is a super cute stamp set, and it's perfect for spring Easter projects, and it makes great baby cards as well. So that's our product of focus, and we've got also included in your kit is this polka dot tulle ribbon and a spool of the Pool Party and Silver Baker's Twine. And this month we'll be creating 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs, and a cute little pouch. So these are the kits that you'll receive along with these products. And let me give you a peek at the projects here. So we've got this beautiful little spring card with a mother duck and her ducklings, an Easter card. This one has a little bit of a fancy fold. So remember, you're making 2 of each of these. And then this is a cute little Easter pouch. You could tuck a little treat in there. You could add a gift card, lots of different options. All right, so if you're let me share with you what you need in order to complete this class. What you'll need is, you'll need to have a memento on hand and then some way to color in the images. Now this is what we've used. We have used the Smoky Slate combo, the Soft Sea Foam combo, the Pool Party combo, and when I say combo, I mean that both the light and the dark, and the Petal Pink combo. So those are the colors that we've used on all 4 of the projects. So these are all the supplies that you need to create these cards. Okay, so if you're interested in finding out more information, we will have links to our blogs down below, or you can contact us by email. You can reach Laura at lauramilligan.com. I will also post it down below. And you can reach me at sherry@stampedtreasures.com. All right, thanks so much for watching. Hope to craft with you soon.